What up, guys? It's Young Carlos here from Kickclusive with another exclusive video like always. So make sure to give us a like, thumbs up, or comment down below on what you want to see next. So as you can see, today we got another human race for you, part of the Holi pack, and this is how the box is gonna look. You know, these are my second favorite. My first one had to be that previous video we did, the Coral Chalk edition. But you can't go wrong with a old black shoe. Got the purple to go right with it. So on these, you know, you got the equality, and on the right shoe is Sensar, which means take care of your family, or that life is family. These are part of the Holi pack. You know, the Indian festival where they celebrate good over evil. And they celebrate by throwing a lot of bright colors. Here's a couple pics. So on this one, I did a good job. All black with the white. Got the white boost. The dark purple. I see there's like an everyday shoe. Got the trail bottom. I like this bottom more than the first human race. As you wear them, they're a lot more comfortable. You feel like it's a more durable shoe. Here's the inside. Got all the flavors for you. So these, you got the purple laces and then another black lace. 3M like always. Couple more side shots, back shot. These gonna retail for $250. They will release March 16th, I believe. They were supposed to release March 2nd, but they were pushed back here in the United States. There's gonna be, the whole pack consists of 4 different colors. As you know, we're gonna throw a video on each one, so stay tuned. And like always, up next, unfoot review and more quality pick. Enjoy.